Hi, this is Colin with Blue Marble Consulting, an authorized reseller of MindTickle, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate some of its capabilities. We started using this for our ERP training, but this product works in virtually any industry and for any company that needs to train or recertify technicians, to managers, to sales teams for new products and data processing. So let's take a look at how this works. So after you create your course and classes, you'll send out invites to your students, and this is what the invite will look like. You'll have the name of the course right here, which in this case is Service Demo, along with a brief description of what the course is about. The students will then click on View Series, and all they have to do is enter in their email address and create a password, and then they will be able to log in and be brought to the course. And what their home screen looks like is what you're looking at right here. So they will see the Service Demo course right here. And you can also add in many other courses as well. So if you have, say, different sales teams that you want to have different courses for, or if you have different products that you want to add in learning materials for, you can easily do that. But in this instance, we just have this one course. So what students will do is click Start to see an overview of the course. And here we can see that there are two different sections. We have the RIU section and an ICC section, along with PDFs and different quiz questions. So we'll go ahead and start the course. And again, here are those two sections. They'll begin with the RIU section. And this first part here is a PDF, but you can pull in many other different types of media, including videos, like YouTube videos, as well as uploaded videos, audio, PowerPoints, many different types of media. So you'll put that in here. The students will go through the material, read it over, or view it, and then they'll go through and answer the questions. So we have true-false questions. We also have matching questions, so you'll have to match a word or phrase to an image. And then we have another true or false here, finishing off this section. So now we'll move on to the next topic. And again, we have our media right here. In this case, it's just a PDF. So the students will review this and then begin to answer questions. So we have a multiple choice here. And we can also, as you can see, pull in media to the left. So these can be images, audio, video, etc. And we have another true or false. And you can see now there are different badges for different point levels. So I've scored currently 580 out of 800 points, and that puts me at the beginner badge. And you can set those to different thresholds depending on what you want. And it's a great way for students to compare themselves against other students in the courses. We also have Guess the Word sections here. So they can go through, and that's just one of the different question formats, as well as being required to actually type in the word or answer. Alright, and so then once the course is done, the students can review how they did for certain questions. Now that's what it looks like from the student's point of view. The teachers will be made as administrators in the course, and that allows them access to different parts of MindTickle. So I'll switch over to what this point of view looks like. So this is what an administrator would see for their course. We have the service demo tile here, but instantly we can see the participation percentages as well as completion rates. Now, a big part of administrative privileges is the ability to look at the analytics. So these will allow you to view a variety of different data for your courses with everything from participation to content to performance. So we can see how many people were invited, participated, and completed the course, percentages of questions right versus wrong, and how students are doing with relation to their badges. So we can see that there's just one person who scored that beginner badge. Now this is just some very basic information. If we want, we can view more information for each of these sections by clicking on View More. And this will allow us to see how individual students did in each of these different sections. So we can see down at the bottom here is that student that I just created. You can see that I have 100% completion rate because I just completed the course. And if you are more interested in a particular student, you can click on their report card to see how they did for different questions and how they scored. So we'll go back. We can also view the content insights, which allows us to see which questions were maybe more difficult or which ones were maybe too easy. And from there you could maybe change the materials that you have in the course or change the question itself. So we can view all of the different questions for these different sections, as well as percentage skipped, correct, wrong, and which students liked or disliked a question. So as the students go through the course, they can give a thumbs up or thumbs down to individual questions to give you a better perspective on feedback for your course. Now another great thing about MindTickle is the ability to send out quick updates. And what these are just really short, either multiple choice questions or different types of content that you want to send out to your students. And this is great for those that are on the go and for mobility purposes. So we'll go back into our service demo course here. And it's really easy. We just go over to this create button, and then we'll create a quick update. We will give it a name, and then from there we will decide what we want to put into this content. And now your students can receive this on tablets and smartphones, so if they need a particular document on site somewhere or they need something on the fly, this is a great way to send it out to them. So you can see we'll add something here, whether it be a media file or a quiz. If we go to media file, all we need to do is click and drag any type of file in here and then publish this, and it will be sent out to all of the different students that are in the course. So that's an overview of MindTickle. We took a look at the invitations that will be sent to your students, what the course looks like as they walk through it, what the course actually looks like from the teacher's or administrator's perspective, as well as sending out quick updates to your students. So that concludes the video. If you'd like more information about MindTickle, please visit our website at sap-bmc.com/MindTickle or send us an email at mindtickle@sap-bmc.com.